Hi, this is Derek and Kasey. To celebrate Memorial Day, we're going to do the Murph. 1 mile, 100 push-ups, 100 pull-ups, 200 push-ups, 300 air squats, followed by another mile with 25-pound weighted vests. We'll make another video when we're done. Have a good one. Later. It's round 3. 7 more to go.
We made it, and we almost died, but we didn't die. We're alive. Derek smoked me on the run. I smoked him on the push-ups all day long. And on behalf of the Grinder, we want to say thank you to our military and all of you who have family members that are fallen troops. God bless you. You are in our thoughts and prayers today. Have an awesome week celebrating Memorial Day.
Take care.